Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this diamond black crystal pearl coat 2019 Dodge Ram 1500, which CarFax says is an Alberta vehicle with absolutely no accidents. In the Tradesman trim, this 1500 is packed with the Level 1 equipment group, as well as a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine, and the quick quarter package 25A. Some of the notable features of this 1500 include speed control, Bluetooth, radial gear shift and push-button ignition, Uconnect 3 with a 5-inch touchscreen which provides easy access to control your radio as well as display the feed from your reverse camera, air conditioning, a roomy back seat that can be converted from cargo to passenger use depending on your needs. Thanks for watching. Now there is a lot more to show you about this Dodge Ram 1500 than I can show you in this quick video. So for more information or to book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store or if you want us to bring this 1500 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have a great day.